Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to start Outlook in safe mode. This is a useful troubleshooting step if you're experiencing issues with Outlook, such as crashes, freezing, or problems with add-ins. Safe mode allows you to open Outlook with minimal features, making it easier to identify and fix problems. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll need to locate your Microsoft Outlook launcher on your computer. This is typically found on your desktop or in your Start menu. Take a moment to find the Outlook icon, which usually displays the familiar blue envelope logo. If you have it pinned to your taskbar or Start menu, that works perfectly too. The key is just making sure you've identified the correct application before moving forward. Once you've located the Outlook launcher, here's where the process becomes important. You need to hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, double-click on the Outlook icon. This combination is what triggers the safe mode option, so make sure you're holding that Control key throughout the entire process. Don't release it until the next window appears. After you've done this correctly, a small prompt window will pop up on your screen. This window is asking you to confirm your action. It will display a message that says you're holding down the Control key and asking whether you want to start Outlook in safe mode. This confirmation step ensures that you intentionally want to open Outlook in this diagnostic mode rather than accidentally triggering it. To proceed, simply click on the Yes button in this prompt window. Clicking Yes will launch Outlook in safe mode, which means it will open without any add-ins, custom toolbars, or reading pane configurations that might be causing issues. This stripped-down version of Outlook allows you to determine if your problem is related to these additional features or if it's something more fundamental within the application itself. Once you click Yes, Outlook will begin loading in safe mode. You might notice it takes a moment to open, so be patient while it initializes. When it opens, you'll notice that Outlook looks slightly different from the regular mode, with fewer features and options available. This is exactly what you want for troubleshooting purposes. And that's it. You've successfully started Outlook in safe mode. This simple process gives you a clean environment to work with and helps you identify any problems with your Outlook installation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.